Yo, what's up, y'all? Mikey, we out here, you feel me? Alright, so today we have a few different plans. So we're working on my dad's Honda Accord. We're gonna do his valve cover gaskets on the front, just the front one. We're gonna empty out his cat, just cause, you know, why not? There's no point in the cat, really. We got that going. We got it up on the stands right now, just getting ready, getting it prepped. And then your car's probably made out of zip ties, nigga. It unbolts. We got Julio over there, you feel me? We're actually gonna do some work to Garbanzo's car today. We're taking off his muffler and we're probably gonna cut out the cat. That's another video, Julio says.
Hey, Julio, come here.
Yo, this is the best fucking technology I've ever seen, yo. Best technology. We're introducing Garbanzo to the videos. He was crying about not being in the last one. So, it's whatever. Right now we're just planning everything we gotta do. We're looking for the stuff that we gotta do. How to unbolt everything on the cars. Just getting like a base idea of what we gotta do. So, when we're done figuring everything out, we'll be right back with y'all.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna prep. We're gonna go ahead and put WD-40 on the bolts because they're really old and rusting. Alright. There's 6 bolts he's gotta spray.
Don't be a bitch with it.
Get the ones in the front.
Where? Right here.
What's leaking, bro?
Water.
It's the AC. Oh. My bad, bro.
You good?
I didn't mean to do that shit for real. God damn. My bad, bro.
Alright, we're gonna let that sit there for a little bit and then go back at it in a couple minutes.
Alright, y'all, so right now we're gonna do my dad's Catalytic. We got time-lapse recording so we can show you guys the process. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so after probably what, a good 45-minute battle with one fucking bolt,
Again.
we finally got it off. Finally. This is what Garbanzo's been doing the whole time. I think my dad's cat is fatter than mine. But yeah, let's clear this shit out. Alright, yeah, so finally, after like a whole long ass battle, we got the cat out. This is pretty much all you have to do. There's a whole lot of mesh film in there. Clear all that shit out. It's all gonna come out. It lets off a lot of bad fumes, so I gave them the mask since they're the ones that's gonna do it. Yeah.
You're blocking the camera.
You're blocking the camera, Garbanzo. So we got that on time lapse, and yeah, be back with y'all in a second. Alright, you guys, so this is open headers. Open headers, no cat, no exhaust, open headers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Can I rub it? Oh my! I want my car like this. Oh my god!
That's what an open header E6 sounds like.
This shit sounds good.
That's a rough?
Alright guys, now we're gonna do the valve cover gasket. The front one's currently leaking, so we're just replacing the front one for now. Cleaning up a little bit.
Yo!
Say what's up.
Yo!
Alright,
we gotta organize a little bit. Gotta organize.
Clean desk, clean desk.
We're gonna put the coils on here and stuff, so why not?
We're gonna do another time lapse, so sit back, relax, get a snack.
Alright, you guys, so right now what we're doing is we're taking off the intake manifold gasket. I just spit on the camera. Alright, so we're taking off the intake manifold intake manifold, goddamn. Right now all we're doing is taking off the intake manifold. I wanted to show you guys there's a cover that goes on top of here. Once you take that cover off, there's a whole mess of long ass screws inside. So, and you got to take them off to lift this up. So just wanted to show y'all what we got to do, what you got to do, help y'all get through the process easier and faster if you do try to do this. So we in here, boy. Alright, you guys, so we got the intake manifold gasket off. Now what you're gonna do is, usually you can, I mean, if you want to, you can take it all the way off. Don't necessarily have to. Oh, it's still good. There's a few bolts, I mean screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. The reason you have to take the intake manifold gasket off, the intake manifold off, is because of the bolt hidden under the intake manifold. So once you just lift it up or you take it off, however you want to do it, just unbolt it. Make sure you take your coil packs out first, unplug them, do whatever you got to do. We'll get right back to you guys. Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. Alright, you guys, so now we have it taken apart. Right now, what we're gonna do, this is what the inside of it looks like, if you guys did not know. That's the inside of the valve cover. Valve cover gasket is back there under the helmet. I don't know, y'all. You could, slight work. Literally a few bolts, on and off. Quick, fast, and in a hurry.
Guys, so we're doing it, taking off the old one. On the new one, gasket. Where's the you got some pliers?
For what?
Need flathead.
Flathead?
Oh,
It's all coming up.
yeah.
If you're doing this, be very careful. Don't want to dent the head, the valve cover. My bad. Take it very nice and slow.
Don't be in a rush. Old gasket.
That is basura. Trash.
It's not as bad. Let me see. It's not as bad as we thought it was, but it's definitely still not good. So anything not good in the car's case is bad.
It's trash. Definitely take care of your car.
Facts. Yo, I'm just throwing the gasket on the floor. You heard?
Huh?
I just threw it on the floor.
Alright. the new one in place. You can tell by the notches and where it goes. If you don't know.
That notch is gonna line up.
And then put that notch there. Just push the gasket in. Before you put it on the car, clean it up,
Wipe
paper
it down.
towel, something.
Guard balls are going.
This?
Yes.
I
Yeah,
don't.
out the way.
Oh, okay.
Don't break it. That's the. See, now if you guys want to do it half-assed like we did, you're gonna have to move the. That's fuel rail, no?
Yeah.
This?
No, the intake. Initial coil line.
Ignition coil on. Okay.
Wires. And just what we did to the side, we took every screw out and we put them to the side, exact order it goes in. So the important thing you want to do, you don't want to fuck with these bolts because, so as you see here, one's smaller than the rest. I put them to the side where if it should go, it's an important key, or else you're fucking shit up.
Camera on camera. And you know, I got a rep 305, they counting, you feel me? You heard me, you feel me, you know the vibe. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put that back on and we'll be right back with you guys. Alright you guys, so we weren't gonna replace the O-ring that goes to the coil packs, which are these right here. But I guess that's where the initial leak was coming from, because this one right here is obviously broken. As you can see, I'm like lifting it up.
They're all broken.
They're all broken? Oh yeah, they're all broken. So that's probably where the leak was coming from. Julio's gonna show you guys how to do that right now.
You gotta be very careful with this. What you wanna do, you wanna take a small flathead, get to the side, and make sure you're not hitting the metal, and you're hitting the metal piece inside the rubber. You want to dent it in, and after you get that, you should be able to get the screwdriver in and pull it out.
I'll come to this side to show them that one, nigga. Yeah, make one more. I didn't do all that extra shit last time. Alright, we're gonna take them out and then we'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so we finally got them out. It took a little bit of hammering and shit, but all you want to do is just make sure push them in, but make sure you put them in right.
Just make sure they're all level on each side. Don't want to hammer these because you can fuck them up and fuck the gasket up.
And then if you put them in backwards, then when you try to take it out, you'll probably rip it. So make sure you put them in right the first time.
Just like that.
We're gonna put it on now.
Alright guys, all done. Got everything back on. Mikey, go ahead, start it. Don't see no oil coming out. Should be good.